If you're tired of feeling financially strained and unsure where your money is going, I have good news for you. I'm here to share the top 5 rules of money that can help improve your life. And don't worry, we'll keep things light and enjoyable because learning about money doesn't have to be dull. Let's dive in. Spend less than you earn. Although it may seem obvious, many people struggle with this concept. Spending less than what you earn is the only way to get ahead financially. Budgeting is key, but that doesn't mean you have to eliminate all the fun from your life. Instead, focus on identifying areas where you're overspending and make adjustments there. And if you can find a way to make budgeting enjoyable, go for it. Save for the future. Now that you're spending within your means, it's time to think about the long-term future. Retirement may seem far away, but it will creep up on you before you know it. Saving even a small amount each month will add up over time. Start early enough, and you might even be able to retire to that tropical island you've always dreamed of. Invest in yourself. Although this rule may not appear to be about money, it definitely is. Investing in yourself means taking the time and money to learn new skills, earn a degree, or start your own business. The more you invest in yourself, the more valuable you become to potential employers or clients. And the more valuable you are, the more money you can make. So sign up for that course you've been considering. Your bank account will thank you. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Investing is essential if you want to grow your money, but putting all your funds in one investment is risky. Diversifying your portfolio is key. That way, if one investment doesn't perform well, you won't lose everything. And who knows, you might even hit it big with that one stock you thought was a long shot. Give back. Finally, it's vital to give back. Money isn't everything, and sometimes the most rewarding thing you can do is to help those in need. Whether it's donating to charity, volunteering your time, or simply buying a coffee for a stranger, giving back can positively impact the world around you. And who knows, your good deeds may come back to reward you. These top 5 rules of money can set you on the path to financial freedom. Remember, it's never too late to take control of your finances. Put these rules into action, and before you know it, you'll be making progress toward achieving your financial goals.